Alright, got an air fryer here. Somebody was giving this away. It was on a recall, so they got their recall, but they let them keep the old one, but they had to, like, cut the cord. Uh, the recall was, I guess, because they said that these here have a tendency of maybe catching on fire, maybe? But the cord is spliced or the cord is cut, so what Imma do is splice it back together and see if it works. All right, we're gonna open this up. My dad used to get stuff like this and, restore it and all. And his thing was, uh, his thing was lamps. If anybody was throwing away an old lamp or something like that, he would get it, bring it home, and fix it. And so we had a lot of lamps. So, but yeah, somebody was. Oh, okay. Yeah, they got recall on the thing here. So let's open this up. So what I gathered is I could probably splice this back together and use it, but maybe be like an outside light use. Able to get it out. Let's see, maybe if I turn it on the side. Here we go. Ha. Okay. Gonna open it up. Okay, dang, this thing was brand new, man. Good gosh. Look at that. Wow. The cord's been spliced here. Okay. Huh. All right. Put that back. Yeah. See if you can see that. So now what I'm doing is slide the first layer insulation over, then the second layer, and the second one. So you got the first one here, and then I got another big one here that I'm gonna slide over the wire, and then I got one big one back here. I don't know if you can see it. That I'm gonna slide over the whole thing, so to have like 3 layers of insulation on it, or heat shrink, not insulation, heat shrink. Just take a cigarette lighter and, I mean, I got a heat gun, but you can take a cigarette lighter and just kind of Another one. I couldn't get this big heat shrink over it. You know, I thought I could get it over it, but I can't. So I'm just gonna heat shrink this like right here just to keep the wires, I guess, together at that point. But and I'll tape this point here. But yeah. So here's the finish here. Splice back or solder back together, insulated here at the joints. I put a heat shrink here and some tape here, or isn't that much gyration at the joint here. Like kind of keeps the wires together and kind of braces it here. So sturdy joint, double insulated. So yeah. Alright, moment of truth here. Let's see if this thing works or will it detonate. Turn it around here. What is that? Okay. Ah. Okay. See what is. So what is this is the timer ring in here. So 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And then here's a temp ring. So you got your dial here. You can put on your different temperatures. So it's like 300 degrees, 350, goes all the way to 400. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Got precaution here. This is where the steam and vapor comes out. Alright, it's got different foods up here with temps and times, so it kind of gives you an idea of how stuff stands or how stuff will cook in here. So yeah, shrimp, 6 minutes at 370. Yeah. So as you saw, the air fryer started, went smoothly. I haven't cooked out of it yet. That will be coming, but when I cook out of it, I got to keep my eyes on it. It is a recall. And I looked up the air fryer. The air fryer is like $100 air fryer, and it was given to me. Yeah, that was a good find. Very impressed. Y'all stay tuned. If you like the content, like, subscribe, thumbs up. If you see me out and about, come up to me, say what's up, just like everybody else. But thank you, and see you in the next one. That was a good find. So hopefully find some more stuff like that that just needs, you know, I guess minor repair or something like that, you know, and you can bring it to the channel. But anyway, I'll see y'all soon. Bye.